time, follow ang aton nga activity sheet last time, yung head-to-tail method. Okay, it's because ang parallelogram, tail-to-tail siya iya. Ang polygon is head-to-tail method. Adding vectors. Polygon, friends?
Polygon to.
Ang polygon head-to-tail, okay, ang parallelogram, tail-to-tail siya iya. So, hindi lang magaling head-to-tail, may tail-to-tail man.
Mamong na iyo.
Okay, sige na. Okay, so first step, kung mag-Japan, find the scale. Okay, then, okay,
Nagutom
draw
ako.
or plot. Okay, our vector. So we have 3 newtons. How many cm?
3.
Okay, we have 3. So measure from the origin, pababaw. Okay, try this sa inyo. 1, in yung paper.
Luway ganin ba paper, ma'am?
Okay, tagano ka mula sa band paper?
Di na gingamit to namon, ma'am, ligad. So guys, wait lang. Babalik lang ako.
Okay, ang mga chapon, check na magnitude. Okay, ang force,
Pinatabili mo dito ang
okay,
papel mo.
so dapat may direction kita, then may angle direction. Okay, 3
Papel mo
cm.
bilhin mo laging pa ako.
No, patay ka.
North, 3 cm. North.
Wait lang.